Jaydah. It's 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 Jaydah. Anywho, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into the video, like, comment, subscribe, follow all of my social medias. And today I'm gonna be showing y'all this new thing that's trending: headband wigs. Out of nowhere, boom! This company just came into my life. I'm gonna show y'all what's in the box, I put on the wig, and what comes with the wig. Feel me?
Make it fit.
My hair is really dry, and the first time I put on this wig, I just slapped it back into a bun. But today I was like, nah, I had to like put some moisture in it. So, yeah. So yo, that's it for this video, period. Comment down below if you like this hair. The information is all gonna be in the description below. The link, my discount code, everything is gonna be there. Also, don't forget to follow their Instagram, like, comment, subscribe, and click that post notification bell so you know when I post a video every single time. Bye.